28 million people in the metropolitan area. Nearly 10 million use vehicles daily. Jakarta is the capital and is the most populated city in Republic of Indonesia, the largest archipelago in the world, with a population over 258 million people, comprising 13,466 islands, with all the islands being so diverse, culturally different, and picture perfect. Every sector of Indonesia it's worth the visit. Starting with Nusa Tenggara.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. So I choke you down just like a pill. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. You like a bitch.